Ka Jaintia National Council JNC Clearet Circle Hakasantrik Jamang, Kala Ida Kajingtho How Deputy Commissioner and Principal Census Officer East Giant Hills District, Bandawa Sangeh Mardor Kajing Pentrikam Nonghikai School, Nakabenta ka Census 2, Namarkani ka Longkum Kajing Penken Yakariti Senshar Persha Yakikna School Jongka District. U Diamond Bare, Working President ka Clearet Circle, Batsambo Bayar Sumer, General Secretary Clearet Circle, Kila Ong bagi kena school jong ke East Giant Hills, Kimde Banjinjar, Tang Bandan ke Jingsuk, Hakasenshar, Kadar.
We stand before the media today to raise an issue of constitutional urgency affecting every child in East Giant Hills district. Through public notices, the district administration has initiated the Census 2027 house listing operation by deploying government school teachers as enumerators during active school hours. Let us be absolutely clear, while census duty is legally permitted, its current execution raises serious constitutional concerns. Under Article 21A of the Constitution of India and Section 27 of the Right of Children to Free and Compulsory Education Act 2009, such deployment must not disrupt classroom teaching or violate prescribed teacher-student ratios. In a district like East Giant Hills, where many schools are already critically understaffed, therefore, removing teachers during school hours directly weakens classroom functioning and compromises the quality of education. This is not a theoretical issue, it is happening on the ground. And at the same time, the government of India has sanctioned 11,718 crore for Census 2027. With such substantial allocation, there is a clear opportunity to engage and train dedicated civilian enumerators. This would not only reduce dependency on teachers, but also create meaningful short-term employment for local youth. We are also concerned by the lack of ground-level preparedness for self-enumeration in rural areas. There has been no visible outreach through local institutions, no structural awareness in regional languages, and no accessible support system for digitally excluded communities. And as a result, many households risk being left out of the process entirely. We have been informed that this matter is being forwarded to the state level. However, it must be emphasized that implementation and deployment decisions at the district level remain within the administrative responsibility of district authorities. And this is not merely an administrative concern. It directly impacts the educational rights and future of our children. And we urge the district administration to review the current approach, especially the timing and extent of teacher deployment, and to explore alternative manpower solutions that ensure education is not disrupted. Thank you.